In this video, we are going to look at how you use Advocate to prepare for a sentencing hearing in a criminal case. We will use the evidence screen to extract witness statements and the custody record from the IDPC. Using the extracted pages, we will then use the PDF Annotation tools to highlight and create links to relevant evidential points. Then we will use the Mitigation Plea screens to prepare for the sentencing hearing using the Criminal Offences Handbook and the Sentencing Guidelines. This process makes preparing and presenting a sentencing hearing clear and efficient, so that if you're not the advocate that actually attends the hearing, the person that does can use what has been prepared by you in Advocate. At this point, it is worth saying that the case examples we are going to use in this session are completely fictitious, and we're not using any sensitive information past or present. So our first step is to extract information from a witness statement that was served within the IDPC and which supports our case. To make referencing it easier, we're going to bring the PDF file into the evidence screen and open it using the Extract Pages facility so that we can separate the statement before we create some links and annotations. This is the witness statement we want to extract, so we'll select these pages by clicking on them, then clicking on this button here to extract only those pages. There we go. We can then rename the new extracted PDF. Now we will open the extracted PDF in annotation mode to identify the relevant parts of the statement that we wish to rely on during the hearing. Using the Create Event tool is a really quick and simple way of going through the evidence and linking to relevant information. Having lined up the documents we will want to hand when we are on our feet in court, we now turn our attention to the main task, which is the preparation of the case as it relates to the sentence that this defendant may receive. The first stage is to record each offence the defendant is to be sentenced on. Advocate has access to its own extensive Criminal Offences Handbook database. We will add the first charge in our example, which is theft. Click on Add a Charge, then enter a search term for the offence. We'll type in theft. You can see a number of offences have appeared on screen, and we can either add further words to the search box to narrow down the returned list or scroll down the screen to find what we are looking for. In this case, we are dealing with theft from a department store, so we'll select Theft Shop. That charge is now recorded against the client matter, and if we click on Prepare Mitigation over on the right, a window will open with the offence details and the key factors of the sentencing guidelines. The offence details show the statutory or common law definition, the enabling provision, and the maximum sentences on indictment and summary trial, together with some guideline sentencing cases where appropriate. In the sentencing guideline screens, we will have factors to be taken into consideration, and in the next tab we can select the starting point of sentencing and the range of the sentence. If the offence that you are working on has a sentencing guideline from the Sentencing Council, it will appear on screen. It's fully detailed and the layout is interactive. The method here is to work through each step of the sentencing guidelines, identifying the levels of culpability and harm as required, the likely sentence that you are asking for or mitigating against, and highlighting which points will be raised both for the seriousness of the offence and in mitigation. If the offence you are working on doesn't have a sentencing guideline, it will still contain the space and ability to help you prepare your presentation. Each item you select from the aggravating and mitigating factors using the checkbox will give you a text box in which you can type the points you wish to make about it. Remember that you are looking to prepare both your case and a response to the one that you anticipate the other side will make, so allow for both. The text box grows as you type, so add as much information as you need, as it will be forming the basis of your representations on your feet. Your sentencing guideline selections and notes can either be used as is on screen when you are on your feet, or exported to a presentation document that can be printed out and used. If you are unable to do the hearing yourself, your colleagues can step in for you with all the work clearly and readably prepared for them to pick up easily. Thank you for watching this video. You can see more videos by subscribing to the Advocate channel or by visiting the website ilawadvocate.co.uk.